Are you tired of feeling like your monthly subscriptions are bleeding your bank account dry? I know I was. For years, I watched my spending reports and thought, wait, what is that charge? Do I even use that anymore? It's a common problem. We sign up for free trials, forget to cancel, or just let services accumulate until our little recurring payments turn into a serious financial drain. My personal solution? Rocket Money. It's the app one uses to get a clear, actionable picture of exactly where that money is going. Today, I'm sharing my absolute best, straight-to-the-point tips and strategies that turned Rocket Money from a simple budgeting tool into a serious money-saving machine for me. Moneybag the best Rocket Money tips to cut subscription costs. 1. The 48-hour purge rule. When you first connect your accounts, Rocket Money scans everything and lists your subscriptions. You will see charges you forgot about. My rule is the 48-hour purge. If I see a subscription I haven't used in 90 days, I give myself 48 hours to cancel it. Tip: use Rocket Money's cancellation service for the truly stubborn subscriptions. They have a concierge team that does the work for you. It's an absolute time saver for those annoying companies that make canceling difficult. I've used this feature successfully on gym memberships and a random software tool I signed up for a year prior. 2. The free trial graveyard. Rocket Money is excellent at spotting your recurring charges, but use the app to check your past transactions for $0 charges followed by a hefty monthly fee. This is the free trial graveyard. Actionable strategy: immediately set a custom calendar reminder for 2 days before the detected next billing date. This is better than relying solely on the app's internal notification system. The moment you see that free trial pop up in the app, you need to be proactive. 3. Negotiate like a pro, through the app. This is the biggest money saver for me. Rocket Money offers a bill negotiation service for things like your cable, internet, or phone bills. I was skeptical, but here's how I use it. My experience: I submitted my internet bill, and within a week, Rocket Money secured a $20 a month permanent discount by finding a better promotional rate for me. They charge a percentage of the savings, which is absolutely worth it for the time and hassle it saves. You don't pay unless they save you money. Always check to see if your major utility bills are eligible for their negotiation service. 4. The Is This Worth It? Audit. Don't just cancel forgotten services, audit the ones you actively use but might be overpaying for. Ask yourself, am I on the family plan for a streaming service when I'm the only user? Am I paying for the premium version of an app when the free tier meets 90% of my needs? Rocket Money hack: look at the usage data if you can link the account, like a specific streaming service. If the app shows a service is being used only once a month, but it costs $15, downgrade or cancel it. My personal rule is, if it costs more than $10, I need to use it at least twice a week. 5. Stop the autopay bleed. This is a mindset shift that Rocket Money facilitates perfectly. When you see all your subscriptions listed, you start to see them not as necessities, but as potential cuts. The key: when you sign up for anything new, do not save your payment information in the service itself if you can avoid it. Use a virtual card number or a service that requires a manual verification step. This forces you to think twice when Rocket Money alerts you that a charge is coming up, instead of just letting the autopay happen in the background. By implementing these 5 strategies, the 48-hour purge, checking the free trial graveyard, utilizing the bill negotiation feature, performing the Is This Worth It? Audit, and stopping the autopay bleed, I've personally saved hundreds of dollars this year. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.